show you what we'll do for a bend test. This is an AWS bend test to be an AWS certified welder. You'll be given two plates like this. You'll put a bevel on them depending on the process you're going to be using. We'll then weld them up completely on both sides. And then our process we do in class to see if you pass is we'll cut 2 1.5-inch strips out of these and we'll bend them. So this is what that student has done. This is the plate you welded. We'll cut 2 strips out of it like this, and then we'll bend the weld. We'll bend one on the face side of the plate, and then we'll flip it over and bend the other side. So you're bending each side of the weld, a face and a root. This is one of the bending machines we have, just to do it real quick. It's more complex than you think. There's certain engineered center-to-center diameters of the 2 rollers, and then the 3 rollers. These are all specified dimensions for the test. So once the student cuts their plates, we'll just put them in this machine and bend it. So this particular student did a perfect job. There's no discontinuities. Yep. It's 100% weld. The 2 pieces came together like this. This was all filled up with weld and 2 pieces cut out of them. That would pass. Perfect job. That was a face. That was the face of the weld. That would be this top side. Now we're going to do the root side of the weld. That would be bending this side. So this is a good demonstration of a few discontinuities in the plate. That would still pass though. Of all these added up together would still be under 3/8. You're allowed a little of the air. And this test is great. I mean, a student can come in here, bend these pieces, take it to an employer the next day and start working on a certified job.